If you have 5,000 followers on your Instagram page, this video I'm about to make is for you. If you have 5,000 followers on your Instagram page, hello my wonderful people, and this is Rachel. Welcome to Rachel's Corner. And as you know, on this channel we talk about how to make money online and also how to grow our YouTube channel and so many more. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming. And today on this channel we'll be talking about how you can make your Instagram page to be making money for you, how you can use your Instagram page to make money. So let's get right into it. If you have your Instagram page with you and you have 5,000 followers, this is how you can monetize it and you start making use of it to get money. Because some people have it there but they don't know how to make money on it, and people are cashing out every blessed day on their Instagram page. So I am here to tell you not to waste that opportunity. I'm telling you, my wonderful fans here on my channel, to also come and take part of this beautiful opportunity on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store. Go there, go and download the app called Social Match. Social Match. If you find it and you can't get it, I'll be putting the link after this video. I'll be putting the link in the description of this video for you to go and copy it and download the app there. The Social Match is a live stream app. When you upload your videos, like you know how TikTok is now, how you upload videos and you get viewers and you not be getting paid except you live stream. So here you will post on this Social Match and you will share the video to your Instagram page, and immediately you share the video to your Instagram page and they confirmed that you share it to your Instagram page, they pay you $10. Imagine you doing like maybe 5 videos in a day. You have the time to edit, take beautiful pictures and edit and send it and share it to your Instagram page. You see, you're making money. So, and on this app, if you are live streaming also, if you are live streaming on the app called Social Match, if you are live streaming, they pay you $20 per week for live streaming, just for live streaming. You know, on the other apps, if they don't give to you, you don't earn. Yeah, if they give to you, they don't give to you. So far you shall come online, you use your data to stay online, they are going to be paying you $20 every week. You can see how interesting the app is. So also, you have to have Instagram page before they can approve your account. So if you don't have Instagram page and your Instagram page is not up to 5,000 followers, you can't get all these beautiful bonuses on the app. So that is why I'm saying, that's why I'm telling you, my friends, that don't waste your Instagram page that has over 5,000 followers or even 5,000 followers. Like just like that, use it to your advantage by downloading this Social Match and you share your video to Instagram page. That's just it. That's all you have to do on the app, and you'll be getting your money through Binance. If you have Binance account, you withdraw through Binance. You can withdraw to bank transfer. So you can withdraw your money by yourself. You don't need any intermediary to withdraw for you, or they will not say they will take 10%, they will take so percent. No. So this is all you have to do, and I'll be dropping the code for you to register, because they will ask you to enter invite code. So I'll be dropping the code for you to download it on the description of this video as well, so that you can go there, download it, and let's start making money together. And today, that's just the end of my video for today. And if you find this video very valuable to you, please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Have a lovely day.